Oh, and cheese, of course.
Would you like a hot dog?
These are dog toys.
Oh, cool.
So yeah, for free if you'd like one.
Thank you.
And then also grab some dog treats. You can stuff them in the middle there. We've got 20% discount as well.
Thank you so much.
I'll take it.
All ready to watch DC Super Pets? Woo.
Good afternoon. A beatboxing Julia Morris coming downstairs here.
Here we go. Everybody well?
How exciting.
I want to hear superhero level. Everybody well? How exciting. You have to wait for me. Are these a couple of your patients?
They were in the clinic earlier today getting their extra little treatments.
Okay. Tell me, hands up, if you've already got a favourite DC character. Hands up. Leave your hand up if that's Superman. Leave your hand up if that's... I was just going to leave your hand up. It's one of those games. We've been horribly wrong halfway through. Dr. Chris, who's your favourite DC character?
Well, I was born with a strangely sort of enlarged comic book jawline.
So like Superman.
I've always liked Superman. I felt a deep connection to Superman and a couple of other characters who aren't of the DC family, so I won't even mention their names.
No, we don't even know them anymore. Now, tell me this.
What about you?
Oh, look, I have changed into capes in the phone boxes all over the world, I'm not going to lie.
Okay.
I have got superhero vibes, but I've never seen an aging superhero. Because I'm a bit of an oldie. What do you do about it? No one cares. They're just like, shut up, put the movie on. Is there even allowed to say that? Yeah, you are. I love it. Hey, listen, what about these guys? I'd love a round of applause for how beautiful this is. It's proper superhero guys. That's what I mean.
And they have been to the park this morning, they've been toileted, they've had their food, their water.
Did you get any snackies?
They're guaranteed not to drag themselves across the carpet. So we're gonna get through the entire film in good shape. But I mean, officially, welcome to the Australian premiere of the DC League of Super Pets. How exciting! This is the combination of so many great things in the world. DC League,
Yes.
pets,
Yes, us.
us, Australia.
So here's the thing, we get the phone call. Would you like to use your voice over one of the characters in the movie? I don't think you're going to be able to tell from you've got The Rock, you've got many big global international movie stars, and then you've got these couple couple of Aussie little battlers. So I'd love it if you keep an ear out, see if you can work out. You might be able to tell if it's my voice or Dr. Chris's voice, will you? Will you be able to tell? Is it because my voice like this?
Yeah, and it's not typical for a guinea pig to have an Australian accent, so you may pick it out, but also the fact that our guinea pigs' names are possibly the most, this is not specifically for Australia, but our guinea pig names are the two most Australian names on the planet.
I mean,
Mark
yes.
and Keith.
Hello, I'm Keith.
I'm Mark.
That's what I'm thinking about. I reckon I'd like to hear you call out, yes please, if you reckon it's time to get the movie on. Is it time to get the movie on? Yes please! I didn't even hear that. What's happening? I didn't hear a single word.
It was subtle, Julia. It was very
Is it
subtle.
time to get the movie on?
Quick little note, at the end of the film there is a classic DC League post-credit scene.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
But there's a special scene, you know, DC League films often have this special scene at the very end.
And where is that? Like after all the names go up in a special back there?
The clue is in the title, Julie, it's a post-credit scene.
Oh, I'm
So
excited.
it's after the credits,
Yes.
and you have to stick around for that because there's something interesting in that. Very, very interesting and very exciting. So enjoy that. Australian premiere for everyone else who's not lucky enough to be here is September 15, so tell your friends about that.
You know what I said to my friends? On September 15 you can see it, but the rest of us are seeing it today. Do you know what I'm saying?
That's right, because you guys are special.
I know, Puppy Dog's so cute. Come on, give it a little scratchy.
Under the is the DC League of Super Pets. Enjoy